Seeing horizontal lines on your Samsung TV screen can be frustrating, but don't worry, I've got some solutions for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check the cable connections. Ensure all cables are securely connected to the TV and external devices. Loose or damaged cables can cause horizontal lines. Step 2. Perform a picture test. Navigate to the TV settings menu and run a picture test. This can help determine if the issue is with the TV or an external device. Step 3. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can cause display issues. Go to the support section in the TV settings and check for software updates. Step 4. Reset the TV settings. Sometimes a simple reset can fix the issue. Go to the settings menu and select Reset to restore the TV to its factory settings. Step 5. Inspect the input source. Switch to a different input source or device to see if the lines persist. This can help identify if the problem is with the TV or the connected device. Step 6. Contact Samsung. Support. If the above methods don't work, it might be a hardware issue. Reach out to Samsung's customer support for further assistance.